Guys, today we will be reviewing a pretty nifty product, which is this mini table fan. And this mini fan is actually much larger than your usual portable fans. Now this thing comes with a rechargeable battery so that it can be used on battery backup as well as from the mains electricity. And this model is a D-Homes KN2816. This kind of fan is usually available in D-Mart malls, but you can also buy something like this online, and the buying links have been provided in this video description or in the first comment for you guys. Now this particular fan comes with a bunch of nifty features which makes it pretty unique. That is this 13 pieces LED lights over here, and the fan motor which is being used is of the brushless type. So yes, this thing has got a BLDC motor in it. So not only it will have a long lifetime, but the fan operation is going to be really silent. Don't worry guys, in this video we are going to practically test everything. The box design is pretty professional. I'm not going to bore you by reading all of this specification. You can pause the video and read all of it right here. We can see that this thing comes with a 4V 3Ah sealed lead acid battery. So sadly, there's no lithium battery this time. It comes with a lead acid battery. There are 13 pieces of bright LED lights. The charging time is up to 15 hours. And this is a bit of operational time. And in my experience, I think you will be getting around 20 to 30% less than what is being advertised. But overall, the usage time of this rechargeable fan is still very, very decent. The MRP of this particular fan is 1110 rupees, but with the current ongoing offers, this thing is available for 999, that is 1000 rupees for you. Let's unbox this baby and check a look at its box contents. In the box, what we get is a neat little user manual which shows each and every LED and the switch. Here you can read its usage instructions and the specifications. Not to worry, I'm going to test all of it for you. So a nifty little thing which is included. Then we get the charging cable. This thing is a mains type charging cable, so you cannot charge this fan using USB. You'll have to plug it in the mains and charge it that way. And finally we get the star of the show, which is this portable nifty little rechargeable fan. And the build quality is plastic, but it's really good quality plastic. So this thing is very solid. There's no flexing. And here is how the body looks. Overall, I think the build quality is very decent. The fan head can swivel and allow you to adjust the air direction as you deem fit. So you can have it the way you want. You can have it up when you're sitting and really fine tune it to your convenience. Here you get a control panel with LED indicators and the fan features. So overall, I am impressed by the design of this particular thing. Here is where you are going to plug in the charging cable, this particular one. And when you turn on the charging, a small charging indicator LED comes up. Over here, there's one more hidden features, which is USB charging, which allows you to use this particular fan as a power bank. Very neat little feature to charge your phone on the go. Plus there's this 12 volt in, which could allow charging inside a vehicle or inside a car. But 12 volt charging cable is not included in this particular box. So if you want to buy it separately, I'll provide buying link for you in the video description below. Here we can see that there's a hidden switch. Now this thing is a kill switch, or you could also call it as a child lock. So when you turn it off from here, the fan is kind of dead. So no one is going to, turn it on or, leave it on during traveling in your luggage and have it discharged that way. So it's a nifty little feature which is not there on any other fan models that I've reviewed so far. And yes, I have reviewed quite a lot of them, and all of those reviews are available in the I button or in the video description for you. So let's turn it on. Here the kill switch is enabled, and now we can see that this thing will start working. So the first button is for the LED, and the brightness is pretty decent. This is on the high level. Next you can go to medium, you can go to low. Again, this is very good night lamp level brightness, and then it goes off. So there are 3 levels. This thing is pretty bright. I think this is good for studying, and then that's it. Then the next button over here is for the fan. So let's turn it on. By default it turns on the low setting, and here the fan is absolutely silent. In fact, I've used this fan in a few of my recordings and people couldn't even guess that there's a fan running. So this thing is absolutely stands up to its name, that is a brushless motor, and the overall operation is very silent. Let's move on. This is the medium feature, and the overall breeze is very impressive. Let's go to the high. You might hear a bit of noise at the high setting, but that's mostly the wind noise. There is no noise coming from the motor itself. Sadly, the internet technology is not there, and I cannot send you the breeze over there to your computer to enjoy it. But yes, if you believe me, the airflow is really decent. All right. And next, if we press it, the fan goes off. There are other two indicators over here. This is the low battery indicator. So if the juice is running out, you can bring on your charging cable and let it charge. And this is the charging LED indicator. And overall, yeah, pretty impressive design. I've been using this particular portable fan for around 1 or 2 months now, and it's time to come down to the most interesting part of this video, that is the pros and cons section. What is the thing that I liked about this particular fan, and what else could use a bit of improvement? Let's talk about it. The first thing is this fan section and its swivel mechanism. So absolutely no complaints over there. This thing has worked wonderfully. You can adjust the airflow as you need. The fan has worked very well. It is silent. There's no issue with this. The air delivery is pretty good. Second thing, battery backup, which is also very decent. All right. The third thing which I think could use a little bit of improvement is this LED light. Now, as you see by design, this LED light here is on the lower section of this fan. And say if you're trying to write your homework, or if you're trying to do some math, if there's some important study that needs to be done during a power cut, the problem with this particular design is not about brightness or anything else. It's about the location. Because this thing is at the bottom part of this particular fan, the throw of light, the energy is kind of hitting you in the eye, which I think is a bit of poor design. Now, if this light would be installed over here at the top of the fan, what you could do is you could, happily angle it like this and have the focus of the light come to your notebook or come to your workbench and make it much more comfortable for you to work over here. So I don't know why designers don't get this very simple thing, that the upward flow of light is just going to create glare in your eyes and it's not going to be very comfortable. But yes, if you want to light up a whole room, it does not matter, you can use it like this. But still, I feel that this thing could be improved by putting it over here on the top, so that you could angle it downward and have all the light output coming towards your notebook or coming towards your workbench. So this is a little bit of thing which I think could use a bit of improvement. But other than that, this is a very decent product. And I specifically brought this particular fan for a kitchen use because it gets really hot and stuffy in there, and you cannot use your large table fans or large ceiling fans because that's going to just disturb the cooking process which is going on. So this thing is really perfect for your kitchen. So I think that you should absolutely consider gifting this fan for your mom or for your wife or any women of the house, and they are going to be really impressed by this particular product. Yes, so that's about this neat little nifty D-Homes fan. The buying link is available for you in the video description for you guys. I keep reviewing a bunch of gadgets on my channel, and all of those videos are available right here in the tech product reviews playlist. Make sure you click them. I am pretty sure that there's some particular gadget which you might absolutely like. Plus, there will be a bunch of video thumbnails popping up right here. You can click on any of them and jump to those particular videos and learn something new today. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Take care and have a nice day.